Good evening. This is Rajesh from Ventura Succeeder. This video is regarding the Married Women Property Act 1874. This MWPA can be availed by any life insurance policy. This MWPA is an extra layer of security where we can provide to our beneficiaries. It's a right where we can avail it. So let's see what actually is this MWP Act. As per the exact wordings of the MWPA Act, when an insurance is taken by a husband for the benefit of wife, a policy of insurance effected by any married man on his own life and expressed on the face of it to be for the benefit of his wife or of his wife and children or any of them shall ensure and be deemed to be a trust for the benefit of his wife or of his wife and children or any of them according to the interest so expressed, and shall not, so long any object of the trust remains, be subject to the control of the husband's or to his creditors or form part of his estate. So, if a person is uh, availing this MWP Act when he is taking a life insurance policy where the beneficiaries are his wife or children or both of them, if suppose after the demise, say the death benefit is coming and no creditor can claim that particular property, and even court cannot take away that property and give it to the creditors. It is that extra layer of protection to your loved ones. And how this can be achieved? It's just with a single stroke of a pen or with a single click of your mouse while you are starting any particular life insurance policy. So this section 6 of MWPA allows individual to buy life insurance policy in his name and create a trust in favor of his wife and children. So no separate trust is required to be formed under this particular Indian Trust Act. So if this is done, then the maturity and or death proceeds or surrender proceeds will not be taken away by any creditor, and the beneficiaries will compulsory receive this particular amount. So who can avail this MWPA Act? A married man, a divorced man, or a widower. In this case, wife or wife and children or any of the children will be the beneficiaries, and a married woman also can take this MWPA as per the section 5. But the only thing is the policy has to be registered under MWPA at the time of inception only. After starting the policy, after the policy is issued, we cannot register under MWPA. This is just precaution has to be taken. And what are the other conditions? The beneficiaries cannot be changed once the policy is issued with MWPA. So a person has kept a beneficiary as his wife, later he gets divorced and marries again, he cannot change that particular beneficiary. Once a policy is converted to MWPA, it cannot be revoked or modified. It cannot be done. And once a policy is under MWPA, it cannot be assigned. But if you keep aside these conditions, if you are keeping your beneficiary as your wife or children with any particular share as per your choice, this would be extra, the protection layer should be there, will be there with this MWP Act. And coming to the taxation, whatever the premiums you are paying can be availed under ATC, and death, surrender or withdrawal benefits comes under 1010D section. So all plans are offered under MWPA. Here it's given as all plans, but pension plans cannot be registered under MWPA except pension plans, endowment, money back, term. All the plans can be registered under MWPA. And my advice is, whenever you go for a term insurance plan, specifically term insurance plan, mandatorily you avail this MWPA, you register with this MWPA while starting the particular term insurance plan. Because in today's scenario, if you see, many people are underinsured as per their human life value, and when they are starting this term insurance plan, mandatorily register this MWP Act while taking a term insurance plan. This can be availed while inception of a policy, whether it is manually on paper you are doing or online if you are doing, you can avail this MWP Act. And how to check after availing this? This is just an example I am showing you. Here this policy is registered under MWP. The name of the nominee is shown here, and relationship with life assured, it is showing as MWP. You can check after the policy is issued whether this is done or not. Here it will show as MWP. So wherever you are availing the term insurance plan, my advice is to avail MWPA Act mandatorily. This is the extra layer of protection we are providing for our loved ones. Thank you.